Good afternoon, I'm Charly Belcher coming to you from downtown St. Petersburg inside the Mahaffey Theater to tell you about a brand new restaurant that you can now enjoy inside the Mahaffey Theater, whether you have a ticket to a show here or not. It is called Sonata, and Chef Ted Dorsey is the executive chef and GM of Sonata. Bill Edwards came up with this idea, and it's a brilliant idea because this space inside the Mahaffey has had one of the most beautiful views in all of downtown St. Petersburg, and it was only being enjoyed by those during intermission or before or after a show. Now anybody can enjoy it.
Exactly. I mean, that's the visionary that Mr. Edwards is, and you know, when he came up with this idea, it was really hard to say no. I mean, it's such a beautiful space, and there's so much potential here, and we really are, you know, passionate people and enjoy what we do, and we're very thankful for the opportunity to showcase our love of food in this beautiful space.
So when you went to create the menu, where did you start? What were you thinking?
You know I really wanted to incorporate the local fish piece. I think that is a big piece, and yes, we see our fair share of the groupers and the American Reds, but we're also interested in a lot of that bycatch too, the corvinas and tilefish and that stuff. Really showcase some of the beautiful species we have right here. Right. But then also, you know, we wanted to try to have a little bit of everything for everybody, and that's tough to do. You're never going to be able to please everybody, but we certainly want to try.
Yeah, it's
and
a well-balanced menu, though. Definitely a little something for everyone. You're cooking or baking your own desserts right here on property.
Yes.
A full-service bar from cocktails to wine and everything in between. And then you're also making cookies that you work with the valet.
Yep.
If you come see a show, whether you eat at Sonata or not, if you valet your car, you're going to get a surprise.
You're going to get those wonderful cookies. We make them fresh. They change all the time. And, you know, it's a wonderful space. So, you know, if you're looking to book a banquet, a party, a wedding, whatever the case may be, we can, you know, pretty much do it all.
Well, and Bill Edwards also, okay, so we've got the performing arts, we've got the culinary arts, but he wanted to add visual arts as well, so he teams up with the Imagine Museum and, of course, his Bill Edwards Foundation for the Arts, and we've turned the lobby into an art gallery.
And it's so impressive and beautiful. I mean, there's just so many beautiful pieces of work of art around here. It's easy to kind of get lost and forget that, you know, you're actually at work when you're walking through the halls.
I love it. And again, you don't need a ticket to a show to enjoy Sonata.
Nope. Come on by.
6 days a week, Tuesday through Sunday.
Yes, sir. And then 10 a.m. to 4 a.m. or 4 p.m. Saturday and Sunday for brunch.
So yeah, brunch starts early.
Yes.
10 a.m. and through dinner service on the weekends.
Yep.
So 10 a.m. to like what, 11?
To 11 p.m. on the weekend.
And then open at 4 during the week for dinner.
Sir. Yep.
Do we need reservations?
You do not need reservations. We accept all walk-ins. We have plenty of space.
Okay, good.
But it is highly recommended you make a reservation, especially on a show night.
Open table? You guys work through
open table is our reservation system.
Very nice. And expansion coming soon, but perhaps an outdoor patio, perhaps lunch service?
Yes, both will be coming soon.
So stay tuned.
More seats to come.
Excellent.
Thank
Chef, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
There you go, folks. Sonata inside the Mahaffey Theater, 6 days a week, Tuesday through Sunday, dinner only during the week, brunch and dinner on the weekends. And it's an opportunity to see a gorgeous view of St. Petersburg. Charly Belcher, Fox 13 News.
Wow, that is a